Exercise number 10 in lesson 5. Remplacer le nom souligné par le pronom qui command. So replace the noun underlined by the suitable pronoun. So see here, direct object pronoun you can use, or indirect, or y or en, anything you can use. So they are not mentioned, it is direct or indirect or en or y. Mary ma they this. Mary offered some CDs to me. So they is some CDs. It's a quantity. It's a path of articles or indefinite articles. It belongs to the indefinite articles. It is a quantity. So indefinite articles list you must use. Mary has offered some CDs to me. Okay. So whenever you find this the, it is indefinite pronoun. So you must use this en. You remember this. Whenever you are saying they, en you have to use. Okay. Mary, often. So both the das and on the noun you have to replace the pronoun a. Second one, la director de la entreprise de donne de cadeau. The directors of companies, they some kids made some kids. Okay. So it become the director there are entreprise on a donne. So that dash you have to remove and you have to use a. So en is placed before the verb. Before the verb you have to place that en. Third one, j'ai lu des romans québécois. I read some Canadian novels. Des romans québécois. So replacing the pronoun en. So in that place, before verb you have to write. Le touriste a acheté des cartes postales. The tourist or got buy some postcard. So replacing the card postal, you can use en before the verb. The tourist a acheté. So before the verb you have to use a. Fifth one, Monsieur a reçu une lettre pour son anniversary. So it is une. Here they are using indefinite articles une. And it is a feminine singular noun. Okay. Ma sœur a reçu une montre pour son anniversaire. My sisters receive a watch for her anniversary, that is birthday. Une montre. The une montre you must remember, for this sentence only the month you have to replace, and that une should be written after the verb. So it become like this. My sir a receive une pour son anniversaire. So fifth one is very very important, that une again we are writing. Okay, that's all. Thank you.